Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Counter-Strike 2 on your laptop. First, you'll want to confirm your system meets the game's requirements. Counter-Strike 2 typically needs at least 8 GB of RAM and a modern processor. A dedicated graphics card with at least 2 GB of RAM is also crucial for a good experience. Installing the game on an SSD can significantly reduce loading times, often by several seconds, making your gameplay much more fluid from the start. Next, let's optimize your in-game settings for the best performance. Head into the video options and reduce your resolution to a comfortable level, perhaps 1280 by 720 pixels, if your laptop struggles. Lowering texture quality, shadow details, and model details will also provide a noticeable boost to your frame rate. Turning off features such as anti-aliasing and ambient occlusion can free up valuable processing power, ensuring a more consistent and enjoyable experience. Beyond in-game settings, several external factors can enhance your Counter-Strike 2 performance. Always ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Manufacturers frequently release updates that improve game compatibility and performance. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary background applications like web browsers or chat programs to dedicate maximum resources to Counter-Strike 2. For competitive play, an external gaming mouse offers superior precision over a trackpad, and a comfortable keyboard can significantly improve your reaction times. Finally, to truly master Counter-Strike 2, consistent practice is key. Spend time in deathmatch or dedicated aim training maps to refine your shooting and movement mechanics. Understanding map callouts and basic team strategies will greatly improve your communication and effectiveness in competitive matches. Experiment with your mouse sensitivity. Many professional players use a low sensitivity, often around 400 dpi with an in-game sensitivity between 1 and 3, to achieve precise aim. Find what feels best for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.